Hi guys, it's Mr. Hilberg. Doing a quick video tutorial here to show you how to log into your accounts so that you can access Google Classroom, where we will start all of our materials and our days. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google. You're going to make sure you're not signed into an account. You're going to go up here to sign in. Okay, so just to show you, I'm going to remove that. Okay, so you're going to use another account or sign up for an account. You're going to type your name. I'm going to type my name for an example, but don't type Brett Hilberg, type your name. And then you're going to do @students.mesd.k12.or.us, and then you're going to click next. It won't work when I do it because I don't have a student account, but it will work when you do it. So I'm going to enter my email address to show you what the next screen is going to look like. So when you click next, it'll take you to here. You're going to need to clear this field and enter your email address again right here. After you enter your email address here, you're going to enter your password in this box. Once you have your email address and password entered, you're going to click sign in. It's going to ask you to verify that it's you. You're going to click continue if it's the right email address. There. So once you have, it'll be different for everyone, but there should be either a circle with one of your initials in it or a picture that you have chosen up here to indicate that you are in the right account. As you can see, it's my school account. So to get to Classroom, you're going to click on this little icon here. Then you're going to click here on Classroom. Classroom will look like this for you and like it does for me, I believe. You're going to click on Mr. Hilberg. It's going to take you to this page. There is going to be assignments, materials, questions for you to answer. Everything's going to be right here. It's going to be a feed, a lot like a Facebook feed, okay? And that's where we're going to start every day, is at this Google Classroom. To get started on this, you should go to your Gmail, okay? So you click that same icon, click on Gmail, that'll take you to your school email account. You all have an invite from me to join Google Classroom, and then you'll be able to access it by clicking the icon and then Classroom. All right, guys, so be here Monday at 10 a.m., okay? I look forward to seeing you guys. I miss you, and I'll talk to you soon.